this is what my N95 mask looks like. It's like a cone. If you don't have these ones, they're so much easier to breathe because there's like a little air pocket in there, I guess. You can kind of breathe out. But this like really hurts my nose. So I just wanted to show you that, but I'm back in my classroom, so let me go ahead and take it off. Okay, that's a little better. You can see how much it like digs into your skin though, which is, I guess, what they're supposed to do to fit correctly. But let me show you what I'm gonna do. So this is where we left off last time for my classroom. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this. It's really nice to have it because it's more storage, but I haven't even put anything in it yet, just because as I've been cleaning everything out over here, it's all fit really well in those. So I don't think I really need that cabinet anymore since I went ahead and bought those. And they've been working so well. But this is what the front of my room looks like. I got all of these up, and these are all the extra ones. So these are the ones that are gonna go in the back side of the room. I'm probably gonna take those down just because I feel like it looks a little bit too busy for me. But this is what it looks like. And I have to move the desks again. So this has been like a series of just moving desks and furniture and stuff, and it's getting kind of exhausting. But district says we have to have them 3 feet apart, and principal says the student heads need to be 3 feet apart, not the desks. So I'm just like kind of confused. It's like, if a head is 3 feet apart from someone, I'm not, students are here, I'm not gonna measure their heads, you know? So kind of confusing. I've been going through other teachers' classrooms, and they are like putting them in groups of 6. So like 3 on each side facing each other. And I feel like that's kind of the same as rows, if not worse than rows, because they're literally right there. I guess not everyone's following that rule. I did see another classroom which I liked where they were all in pairs. So there were 2 desks together in each side, but there was like very little walking room between them. I saw someone else who had like rows of 3, and then they were all going different ways inside the classroom, which was kind of cool. But it's like, if we're doing 3 feet apart, that's like impossible with the size of our rooms and the number of desks that we're supposed to have, which is 40. So gonna move desks again today. What a shocker. And I'm gonna have to figure out something. So I was looking through the other teachers' classrooms, and they all have desks, like 2 teacher desks. So 2 teacher desks. So their first desk is over by all this stuff that, like, you know, all the stuff that connects the projector and everything, which if you didn't know, mine is right here. So wherever you see this white thing on the wall, there's cords in it. And the cords are just hidden by it, so they come out right here. And then there's outlets and stuff too. This also connects the projector, so yeah, and the TV too. But they have like a desk over here, and they usually have a desk either over here or over here in the back. So I was originally thinking, you know, my desk is perfect over here, but now I'm like, maybe it should be in a different corner. It's so confusing, you guys. It's so, I could never be like one of those people who like, I don't know, not decorates classrooms, I could never be one of those people who designs houses and like setups and everything. And I don't know, it's just so hard for me. I feel like my rooms are always very square. So like, there's the front of the room, all the students are facing the front, or they're in groups, but this is the back of the room, that's the front. Whereas now that I go in other people's classrooms, it's like, no, the teacher desk is over here, students are, I don't know, there's like more flow, whereas mine's always like, this is the projector, this is the front of the room, this is the back of the room. Yes, you may be in groups, but in the end, this is the back of the room and that's the front. Whereas all the other teachers, it feels like each wall is being utilized for something different. So this corner of the wall is the teacher station. That corner is the tech station. This corner is the projector and the whiteboard. Over here, we're doing the TV. So they have their TV set up over here. And this lifts up. So you have like, it's almost like another projector. So this will mirror whatever's on the projector, so when they are in groups they can see both. And I feel like they utilize the space a lot more or at least a lot better than I do. but I just don't have that type of creativity. Like, I can't think of things like that. I have to see it and copy it and then decide if I like it, but it's so much work to just copy it and move things around all the time. But it's like exhausting, you guys. I feel like I just need someone else to just set up my classroom for me, and then I'll decorate it. But my dad is bringing the extra 2 of these to my classroom today. They're in boxes and they're so heavy that he has to use a dolly to bring them because I just can't. And then I have the black bookcase here, and there's actually another black file cabinet that I might grab and put it right there so that it will match up with this one, because I have a file cabinet here, and I'm gonna get rid of this, and then I'll have those 2 wooden bookcases and then the little black one. So that's what I'm thinking. We'll have to see from there. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I am moving the desks, like I said. We're gonna figure it out, you guys. We are gonna figure this out. I may just turn them all this way and face in, and then turn these ones all this way and face in, but then try and space them. I don't know, I have to figure it out, but this is where we are. This is where we're starting. So let me just go ahead and just get the cabinet out first.
Let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out.
Okay, so I got rid of the cabinet and the file cabinet, so there's a lot more space back here. And my dad is actually coming today to drop off the 2 bookcases, and then I'll have to put them together, but they're gonna be the 2 wooden bookcases, same on this side, if you can see that. And I just moved the other black one over here so I could move the cabinet, but the other black one's gonna be right here. And then I'm thinking I also have some white ones at home, so I might bring 2 white ones. They're basically the size, but they're white, and then I might have 1 white one here at the end, and then another white one here at the end, and then this TV will just be in the middle, just because I don't know where else to put it. But it looks a lot like it looks like there's so much more space because the cabinet and file cabinet are gone. And I know what you're thinking. What am I gonna do without a file cabinet? I have no file cabinet in here. Well, I actually have a Donors Choose, and it's live right now, where I requested a lateral file cabinet. So it's gonna be 2 drawers and it's gonna be longer. And I'm crossing my fingers it fits under here, but this is where I plan to put it. So it'll be hopefully about this height. And then that'll just be where my file cabinet is. And then I can put a piece of paper on top, and that'll be like the sign out for when kids do go to the restroom. So I figured that would be perfect. So I'll still hopefully have a file cabinet. And yeah, that's what it looks like. It does look a lot bigger. We were also told that these plexiglass shields, although we only have 20 right now, so it only covers half of the desks, we're supposed to have another 20. It's just that someone took the 3 pallets out of the garage where they were stored and took them somewhere else. So they're trying to find them and track them down so we can get them back. But yeah, so this is what it is. I am obviously gonna move my desk. I just have to figure out what I'm gonna do with that. But this is where we are so far. Okay, so I wanna show you something that I got. I got these off Amazon, and it's basically a box of these outlets. You plug them into the outlet, and there's another outlet on it, and then it comes with this remote control. So this is what I got for my Christmas lights, so that I don't have to like unplug them and plug them in every single day. So just opening it now. This is the remote. It's actually really small, and it came with 3 of these little plugs. They're like stuck together. Hang on one sec. Okay, so this is what they look like. And yeah, so I'm just gonna plug this into the wall, and then this will make it to where I can just use the remote to turn it on and off. So I'm really excited for these. I'm actually so excited. And then they're all numbered because it came with 3. There's like 3 buttons on here, so which one do you want to turn on and off? And then each side is either on or off, and then you choose which number. So I have one that I'm going to use in the front for my front Christmas lights, and then one I'm going to use in the back for my back Christmas lights. And I don't know what I'm going to use for the third one. Honestly, I don't think I'll even use it. But at least I have an extra one in case I change my mind later and decide that I do want to use it. But I feel like this is going to make it so much more easy to like make sure that they're on and, you know, looking gorgeous. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug these in.
And throw it out the window. I think that
all right, so this is what it looks like. I put some tape on here so it would tape it to like the whiteboard here at the end because it was just kind of laying out there. But I just plugged it in there, and then this, I think it's so you can plug in more Christmas lights. I don't know for sure, but I have my little remote. So when I turn it on, it lights up the whole thing. And it's so pretty. And I can turn it off and on and off, and it's perfect. It does make a clicking sound, but it's totally fine.
let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go. I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go, go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why are you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me, so let go. Let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go. Let me go, go, let me go. Go, go, let me go, go, go. I told you I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on?
All right, everyone, so I want to show you what I got. I got this little table. This was outside one of the teachers' classrooms, and I picked it up. So this is where our homework station is going to be. So they come in, they're going to grab hand sanitizer, they're going to turn in their homework, and they're going to take a seat. And I have the extra like big jug of hand sanitizer in the back too. And it fits right underneath this calendar. So I really like the placement of it. When I do, or if I do end up getting a lateral file cabinet, this is actually where it's going to go instead of the desk. But I figure the desk is perfect there for right now. I did take out my big cabinet and my file cabinet, and I built one of these bookcases. I just have to put the shelves in. Then I have one more left, and it should be pretty much matched up to this side with the exception of this little paper organizer thing. I'm still kind of figuring out what to do with that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm really liking the feel. I am loving the Christmas lights. I was thinking of putting some more lights around this one because there is an outlet under there, and then another one around these because there's also an outlet under here. So I might have to find, like, look on Amazon to see if there's any of the other little automatic plugs, because the one I got only came with a set of 3, and I will need 4 if I end up doing that. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. It's definitely coming together. I still have this little seagrass plate thing. I don't even know what you call these basket weave things to find a spot for. And I also have the lion one to find a spot for, but I have not as much to go, but it's definitely coming along. I think I'm gonna take this one down too. I don't think I like this one. I might take some other ones over here too, just because I feel like it's a little bit cluttered with the stuff on top as well. So I'm still kind of figuring that out, and then all of this still working on. Crossing my fingers they're able to get me a new desk or fix that one. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. It's coming along. I got some photo frames I just put over here. My little plant I put here. Sorry guys, the lighting is so bad here. And then my little, this is like a planter. This one has all my good pens. So if someone subs, you can just hide that one. I'm literally the last one here with the custodian. Anyways, yep, this is what it's looking like. It's looking good. And it's nice to like see it coming together. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you guys like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, go ahead and send me a comment down below. And if you are new, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.